burning smell from your Rheem AC is a serious warning sign. It usually indicates overheating or electrical problems within the unit. Ignoring this smell can lead to fire hazards or significant system damage. This video will guide you through understanding the potential causes, what steps to take, and how to address the issue safely. Rheem AC units, while generally reliable, are susceptible to this issue, often stemming from specific electrical components. Several factors can cause a burning smell. Faulty capacitors are a frequent culprit, leading to electrical arcing and a distinct burning odor. Overheating motors, damaged wiring insulation, and failing relay switches are also common causes. Dust buildup and refrigerant leaks can exacerbate these issues, causing components to work harder and overheat. A 2025 study indicated that 40% of burning smell cases were linked to start capacitor failures due to voltage surges. If you detect a burning smell, immediately turn off your Rheem AC. Disconnect the power to the unit at the breaker to prevent further damage or potential fire. Do not continue to run the AC. Ventilate the area by opening windows to clear any fumes. Contact a certified HVAC technician for a professional inspection. Attempting DIY fixes on high-voltage systems can be extremely dangerous and is strongly discouraged. Safety is paramount. A qualified technician will inspect the electrical components, starting with capacitors for signs of damage or wear. They'll examine motors, looking for signs of overheating or component failure. Wiring and relay switches are checked for insulation breakdown or electrical faults. Technicians will also check for refrigerant leaks, dust accumulation, and ensure proper ventilation to prevent overheating. They may use diagnostic tools to measure voltage and current levels, identifying overloaded or failing components. Finally, technicians will look for signs of rodent damage to wires, which is becoming an increasingly common issue. The repair options for your Rheem AC burning smell will depend on what's causing the issue. A capacitor replacement is one of the most common fixes, typically costing between $200 and $500. This addresses electrical faults that cause overheating. Motor replacements are needed for compressor problems and can be more expensive than capacitor fixes. If the wiring insulation is damaged, repairs may be necessary to prevent further electrical issues. In severe cases, a full unit replacement might be required, costing $2,000 or more. Always check if your unit is under warranty, as Rheem issued a recall for certain models like the RA14 and RG14 series due to capacitor failures, offering free replacements. Preventative maintenance is essential to avoid burning smells in your Rheem AC. Regular care helps prevent electrical failures, overheating, and component breakdown that cause these odors. Schedule annual tune-ups with a qualified HVAC technician. Professional inspections catch electrical issues early, preventing capacitor failures and overheating that cause burning smells. Ensure proper ventilation around the unit to dissipate heat. Good airflow prevents compressors from straining, reducing the risk of insulation breakdown and odors. Keep the area around the AC clean and free of debris. Dust and debris buildup can cause overheating, so regular cleaning maintains safe operation. Install surge protectors to guard against voltage spikes. Surge protectors prevent electrical damage that leads to arcing and burning insulation smells. Check for rodent activity and address infestations promptly. Rodents can damage wiring, causing short circuits and burning odors in AC systems. Change filters regularly and clean coils. Clogged filters and dirty coils force the system to work harder, leading to overheating and potential burning smells. By following these preventative maintenance steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of burning smells and ensure your Rheem AC operates safely for years to come. Rheem's newer smart AC models, particularly those with the EcoNet app, offer data-driven diagnostics that monitor system performance in real time. The EcoNet app can send predictive alerts when it detects patterns that might lead to burning smells, allowing homeowners to address issues before they become serious. To prevent future issues, Rheem is phasing out vulnerable electrical components and introducing more durable materials, such as solid-state capacitors, that resist overheating and failure. Regular firmware updates for smart ACs enhance their ability to detect electrical anomalies early, helping to mitigate risks and prevent burning smells from developing. Overall, these smart features and future improvements are designed to significantly reduce the incidence of burning smells while enhancing the reliability and longevity of Rheem AC systems. Let's explore case studies and expert advice on Rheem AC burning smells. The Air Conditioning Contractors of America, ACCA, advises immediate shutdown and professional inspection for burning smells. Rheem's chief engineer emphasizes that such odors are often the first sign of electrical distress. Real-world cases, such as the 2024 recall due to a faulty relay switch causing a fire, underscore the importance of prompt action. Remember, professional help is essential to ensure safety and proper repair. If you smell burning, don't delay. Contact a certified technician or Rheem support immediately.